Good evening, everybody. So my name is Rett Lewis. I'm an undergraduate senior here at Clemson University. I'm a food science major, and my project this summer was to kind of bring a fermentation lab to Clemson. Something super cool, something I never thought I'd be a part of, but very glad I was. Thank you to the Science Influencer program for that. But my whole focus with my abstract here, it's a little small. Can you guys see that or?
Yes, we see it fine.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, so my focus was to talk about a type of yeast. It's called Philly sour, and in this yeast, it's very advantageous because it helps to minimize contamination in brewing. So I was able to brew a type of sour beverage with this yeast in the new lab, and it was very fun. So besides obviously putting the lab together, I had a couple other objectives. So we had to use this lab for further investigation into microbiology, fermentation, um, everything that supports brewing. So we are now looking into a study for this fall about muscadine grapes. And with these grapes, we're going to see if there's any outside yeast. Obviously, there will be on the grapes that could impact other types of our fermentation because the craft brewing industry is exploding. Brewers obviously want consistent products. So that is our ultimate goal is to try to see if, you know, external yeasts will impact our finished product. So as you can kind of see in these pictures here in the results and discussion session, or yeah, in this section, we have our hot side of the lab, which is like our brew station, something you would typically see in a commercial brewing setting. And you have your like a hot liquor tank, mash tun, all that good stuff. And then on the left side, you have the cold side, which is going to be your cylindrical fermenters. That's obviously once you are done brewing the beers will be sitting in those tanks and fermenting after a few days. Um, and just those pictures here. Um, it's very short and sweet, but basically, through this opportunity, got to bring forth a project to the fall. It was very cool. It really helped me learn more about how to interpret data, um, learning more about fermentation, microbiology, learn about different scientific articles. Very blessed that I was able to work under Dr. Paul Dawson and Alex Ryan Thompson. Alex is an extension officer here at Clemson, and Dr. Dawson is a full-time professor. Um, and yeah, if there's any questions, I'm open to them. So thank you.